Hey guys, welcome to Jason Gerald's Multiple Streams of Income. I want to show you a little bit of a hack that you can do just like this around an image and make it a focal point of your picture. And let's get right to it. Okay, so here's a really cool way that you can actually make an image around your product or make it a focal point of that image so people's eye goes directly to that particular product. So let me go ahead and remove this. I'm going to show you how to do this manually. So I got this image directly off of Pixabay and I just downloaded it to my hard drive, brought it into Photoshop, and here's how you do it. Now I'm going to pick a color of red. It doesn't matter what color you choose because you're going to remove that color anyway. You're going to right click over here where it says the boxes. It may be on a box or whatever. You want to make sure you're on the ellipsis and hold down the shift key and go ahead and make a nice perfectly round circle. And if you hold down the shift key, that means when you hold down the left mouse button and stretch that image, that will be a perfectly circle for you. Now let's do the move key up here and let's move it over our subject. And at this point, let's double click on the layer over here, and that will open up a whole layer style area where you can do lots of different things, but we want to worry about the stroke. Okay, and let's make it, I don't know, 13. Let's make it a little bit bigger. We'll just make it like that. Okay, so now there's a stroke, but I still can't see that image, right? Well, here's a really cool easy way. Just remove the background. Boom. And you still have that stroke around it, which is around that image that we had created for the circle. Now, you can see the background in there. That's really neat. Now, here's the cool part of it. If you go up to properties and you go into properties and you bring down the density and you look at that, that's pretty cool right there. But let's say you feather it a little bit and go like that. That's how you can do that. You want a little darker? Just go a little darker. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Now, I want to show you something that you can do on a product. Now, I have a product on Amazon. It's called the Pet Store, and it's a pet grooming brush. It works great on cats and dogs, and let me tell you, it works like a charm. I've got 45 reviews on this product on Amazon, 5-star rating. It's one of the best out there. You get a dog clicker with it or a training tool. You click and it trains your dog or your cat, and that's the actual product right here. What I want to do is show you how you can download this image and save it. Okay, and I'm going to save it as brush. Okay, and I already have the image saved as brush, so I'm just going to override the image that's there. Okay, and so what I want to be able to do is make this brush a focal point of that image. I want people's eyes to go directly to that. But you notice something here. Look at all that hair that's come off that cat. That's amazing. So and right now I've got a sale going on this product. So if you want to purchase this, you can go directly to Amazon. It's for $19.99, and it's a great product to purchase. So let me go back over to my Photoshop here. And let's go ahead and open that image up again, excuse me, and open it up. And I just want to update it because I was doing some testing here. Okay, so here's what you want to do in order to make that work is do again, pick a color, doesn't matter what color it is, and then just make a circle. Hold down the shift key, right? Perfectly round circle, and then drag that image over. Go over here. I mean, if you want to go ahead and remove the background, you can at that point. It's just you can't see anything until you put a stroke around that image. And if you do that, just like that, you can see that stroke. So let's just do it around that 9 there. And I'm going to Control T again for transform and hit that little button up there. And let's just make this a little smaller. Okay. And just like that. And I don't like it black. Let's make that a different color. And let's go back in the stroke here, go into color, and let's make that red, just like this. Pretty cool, huh? Now that makes your eyes actually go directly to that. And you can see over here, like how much hair. That's amazing. I just amazed by this brush and how that grooming brush takes off all of that, off the hair, the dead hair off of a cat or dog or horse or whatever. Okay, I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do the ellipsa again. And this one here, I'm going to go right here. Whoops, I clicked it twice. So I'm going to right click and delete the layer and delete and go up here and move and go right there. Control Let's just go ahead and remove the background. Okay, and let's go make this one a different color. We'll do stroke. We'll make this one a green color. I don't know, that's good enough for me. And let's make it a little bit bigger, just like that. And Control T, transform, and hit the little icon up there and make it a little smaller. And now you've got two different colors, one in red and one in green. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Now you can do that with any of the products that you need or anything that you want to do. I showed you a couple different examples of what you can do with an image and then what you can do with a product that you have that maybe you're selling on Amazon or maybe you're selling on your website or whatever you're doing, and you can do that directly. So I'm going to put a link just below this video for the pet store dog grooming brush, cat grooming brush. It's a multi-purpose brush that will remove the dead hair out of a cat. It takes 90% of the under hair growth out of a dog or cat, and let me tell you, it works like a charm. So that you can actually purchase that product if you want to. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And that's important because I'm going to be creating lots of videos just like this. Make sure you hit that notification button on the side. Otherwise, you won't get notified when I do have an email come out or a new video come out to teach you how to create multiple streams of income. And let me tell you, if you really want to learn how to create, do business of your own, just like what I do online right now for myself, you want to take the challenge. And I also have that just below the link here or below the video that I'm creating. All right, hopefully this is helpful. Let me know by commenting below if this was a helpful video for you. And if you have any other questions, make sure you comment below and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Have a great day, and go out there and create multiple streams of income. All right, bye-bye.